guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm happy to share the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bag collection for today's episode. And you know what that means? I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And then of course, for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Cooking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. So the very first one would be from the Louis Vuitton x Murakami collection. So we have more bags for you. So first we have the Capucin's BB. So this is going to launch January 2nd. So pre-order now with your CAs. Price of this one is 7,500 USD. We have SKU here. Such a classic and very beautiful Capucin's BB in the noir colorway. As you can see, the only Murakami would be the detachable clochette. Then here we have a very beautiful Capucin's East West. Price is 9,150. Material is the Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. What's very special about the Capucin's East West is we are going to see it is embellished with multicolor design. It comes of course with the Louis Vuitton monogram charms. Then of course it comes with detachable chain strap. Next on the collection, so this is the light blue or powder blue colorway of the Capucin's BB. Price is 7,600 USD. So we have SKU here. So this is the interior. So I love this bag. So very chic, very minimal in detail. It's like if you know, you know. You will not really know that this is a Murakami collection, as you can see, not only because of the detachable clochette with the Murakami multicolor design. Then of course, maybe aside from the white, this is also my favorite, the Capucin's Mini, because as you know, I prefer black bags because I'm not really a good person to take care of white stuff. Then of course for the Capucin's Mini, this is 8,250 and it is adorned with the Louis Vuitton monogram charms in multicolor effect, which is so gorgeous. Then guys, we have the Horizon 55, 4,050 USD. So this one would be the super flat of the Murakami that he also did last year. So I'm not really sure why they are producing more of these pieces. So maybe we could expect, guys, please don't quote me on this one, maybe we could expect more bags of this super flat Murakami. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Now let us discuss new designs. So first we have the ramens. So we have Keepall size 45. Price is 4,350 USD. So this is from the Monogram Origin Collection. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, leather bag strap. It also has a trunk detail, as you can see at the corners of the bag. So what do you think about the Louis Vuitton monogram collection? Please comment down below. And how beautiful is this colorway? Speedy 25. Price is 2,930 USD. Still from the Monogram Origin collections, as you can see. So the outside part is the monogram canvas pink, and the Origin monogram design. It comes with oversized bag tag, which I super love, and it comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Then of course, my personal favorite, Alma BB. You know, I'm such a lover of Alma design from LV. So the price of this one is 2,540 USD. So this is the interior, light colorway with the stripe detailed. Of course, this Alma BB would come with the oversized leather bag tag, as we could see here. Then of course, it comes from the Origin collection. Next on the collection, so we have the key pouch. So get this right away, only priced at 470 USD. So I'm not really sure what is the difference of the monogram from the Origin collection. Maybe it's a little bit more detailed compared to the classic monogram canvas, as we could see here. So it comes of course with cowhide leather trims and of course classic gold hardware, as we could see. Next on the Origins collection, so we have the pochette accessories and so this is again from the men's version, but definitely I feel that anyone could actually rock this style. So price is quite affordable at 1,790 USD from the Monogram Origin collection. I love like the mint colorway. So it comes with detachable leather strap, and of course it comes with the oversized leather bag tag as well. Then guys, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Nano Speedy, price at 2,260 USD. Get this right away. I love the combination of the colorway. So it comes of course with the light blue Monogram Origin coated canvas, and it comes with the pre-treated vachetta leather trims, as we could see here. It comes of course with the classic details, so detachable leather strap and detachable bag tag as well. Then another new collection, Kipo 45, prices 57,000 euro. Honestly guys, I would be totally honest, I would say no with this one because the colorway, it really does remind me of a croc, the animal, which I'm not really feeling. Maybe if they're going to change it into a lighter colorway or the shadowing of the scale, then perhaps I would consider. That is if I have the funds for this collection. Just like with the pocket organizer. The pocket organizer is much tolerable for me. So price at 2,300 euro. So guys, comment down below if you are feeling this collection from the men's. So material is croc leather and the colorway is bronze. I'm not really doing or it's not giving for me the colorway and of course the shadowing of the scales. Next guys, very very beautiful. So this one, very beautiful Capucines East West size mini. Price is 8,400 USD. We have SKU here. So this is I think the very first time that I'm seeing them doing the monogram pattern tweed material embellished, take note, with beads and sequins. Yes, super beautiful. Of course it would come with detachable leather strap. Next guys, so going back to the Murakami collaboration, we have the Pool Pillow Comfort Meal. Price is 1,200 USD. Take a screenshot because unfortunately we do not have the SKU. So the colorway of this one is in the multicolor in black. Love that one. So I'm guessing that this is going to be super comfortable because it is padded. Then we have it in the colorway white. So which do you prefer? Would it be the white one or would it be the black one? If you cannot decide guys, then may I recommend you get both sandals. So we have the Pool Pillow Comfort Mule and the colorway of white multicolor. Of course it comes with vachetta leather trims and it comes with the rubber outsole. So what do you think of this one? So next on the collection, so we have the Nano Noe. So this one, very beautiful. Price at 2,380 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the classic Nano Noe. So as you can see, it comes with two leather strap, detachable top handle, and detachable crossbody strap. Of course, the canvas is in the Murakami multicolor. Love this one. Of course, I love the untreated vachetta leather trims. Then going back at men's bag, so we have the Moncerise trunk. So very detailed and very embellished Moncerise trunk. That is why it is giving the price of 21,000 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the backside. I love that the backside has the LV and then in front, very little LV logo. As you can see, the stud is designed properly to give the pattern. And then we have the Speedy 30 soft, super beautiful. Price at 3,450 USD. We have SKU here. Just look at the interior. I love the interior. Materials, the soft monogram canvas. with cowhide leather trims. I love it. The trims are pre-treated. I think it's like collar aubergine. Then it comes with the trinkets as well. Then guys, how gorgeous is this pochette sling size PM? So 3,150 is the price. You could wear it two ways as a clutch like this. It comes with detachable gold chain, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag. Then of course, it comes with S-lock feature, as we can see here. Perfect bag for that, very special moment. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the bags that I've presented for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Premierify2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!